guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanesha. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So if you didn't know, I make entrepreneurship videos. If you haven't already, make sure you guys go check those out, and also turn on my post notifications so you can be notified when I upload. I'm going to start uploading more. Make sure you guys subscribe. I hope you guys subscribe by now. But let's go ahead and open this package up and see what we got. Okay guys, so I showed you guys on the last video the pack that I launched, and it's basically liquid lipstick. Well, it is liquid lipstick, and I showed you guys that it was 2 mattes and a shimmer. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I also have lip liners, and I didn't tell you guys about this, but I have a new palette. So I am so excited to show you guys this package right now. So I know, like usually when I just, oh yeah guys, I had to get new scissors. If you watched my last video, you know, girl, I broke my freaking scissors. But you have to be careful opening up your inventory, because when I tell you, literally every time I unbox my inventory, I cut something. So that's why you guys see me struggling, because I don't want to cut anything, because you never know how this stuff is packaged, like literally. Yay! I can see it. I can see it, guys. So I'm so excited, like, because this is my first time doing a pack like this. So I'm like excited. And then the palette, this is my first like colorful palette, and then I also have lip liners. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, I got kind of ruined right there. Hopefully it's only one like that. Yeah, it is. So this won't be mine. Okay, so let me show you guys a more perfect one. Guys, look. Look at this. Okay guys, so the back lists the ingredients, and then let's open it up. It looks like this. Make sure you guys go support me and purchase one of these trio packs. I have 2 different styles to choose from. So when I take it out the box, it just looks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna take every shade out and show you guys. This is shade Hot Girl. It's actually coming up a little more like darker on the camera. This is shade Send Nudes. And this is shade 100% That Bitch. So this is coming up darker on camera too. It's actually a more like watermelon color. If you can think of like a watermelon color, or like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, it's more of that color, not this like dark color. But I will show you guys pictures and swatches at the. So yeah, I really love them, and I'm so proud of myself. You guys can get these. These are $6 and some change a piece from the set. So they come only in a set of 3, and you guys can get them on my website and use the discount code YouTube, and you'll get 50% off. So it'll come down to like $3 and some change for each one, which is a fantastic deal. Let's move on to the lip liners. So I have 3 different lip liners. These are the colors right here. So I wanted to do a brown, a dark pink, and then a dark purple. So that's what I did. Let's take these out. These ones are not hot stamped yet, so they don't have my logo on them yet, but they will. This is the first color. And this one is a purple color. If you guys don't like the harsh brown look of lip liners, go with a dark purple and you'll love it. This one is more of a burgundy color. Again, if you don't like the harsh brown, or if you don't know how to blend it and stuff. And this is the brown that I usually use. So this is a regular brown. And yeah, so be on the lookout for my lip liners. I've been testing them out for since April, so yeah, I really like them. Moving on to the palettes. Okay, I'm so excited for this. As you see it, so it comes with the ingredients on the back, and it's in this really pretty metallic pink color. I'll upload my design on. Guys, this is so good. So good. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is the perfect summer palette. So if you guys are into makeup, or if you just want to support me, go get this palette. You will love it. Oh my gosh. I love this. This is my other palette, and I love this baby so much too. These are large pans, and it's only $14.99 right now. Really great palette. So neutral palette, and then of course glam. So it has some glam and some neutral. And the palette that I just showed you, which is called the Spring Fling palette, this one is a summer palette all the way. So I want to take you guys with me to take pictures. I'm going to show you guys how I set up and how I take them and all of that. So I have a whole bunch of packs in there, so make sure you guys go purchase. I have a bunch of stuff in stock, so I'm going to show you guys my lashes that I packaged up yesterday. I'm actually going to insert a clip right now. It's 2 in the morning, and I'm just sitting in my room, and I'm tired. My legs are tired, so I literally put all of my inventory and my shipping stuff, and I'm about to package up orders right here. I have to get my boxes, but I'm about to sit down in the Indian style and just package up some orders. Like I said, it's 2 a.m. and your girl is tired. I've been on my feet all day working and stuff, so but I need to get this done. So this is what I'm doing. I have a 99-cent sale. 99-cent sale going on. So all of these lashes that you guys see are only 99 cents, and then these are $1.99. So yeah, this is what I'm packaging up. I also have some neon pigments to get out, but those aren't here yet. And then I have some trio packs to get out, but those arrive tomorrow, so you'll see that in the next clip. But yeah, it's literally technically Monday right now. It's 2 a.m. so the trio packs arrive in the morning, and yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm done packaging up orders. Okay, so I'm almost done. This one is completely done because it has a flyer on top stuck. This is how it'll look as soon as she opens it up. And then these ones, I just stuck them in there, but I haven't taped them up yet. And then I have the order number is just right there, so I can know what shipping address to put and all of that. But yeah, I'm about to finish packaging these up, and then I'll be done. So I just got done doing swatches and taking pictures with these packs. I didn't even show you guys this pack yet, but I'll show you guys when I get in the house. And then I have this one as well. So it's 2 different packs. They come with 1 shimmer or metallic, and then 2 mattes. And this is how they look. So freaking cute. So make sure you guys go purchase. I already took my pictures for the palette, so yeah. But this is what I just did out here, and then I just held it like this. I'll insert some pictures So here is the other pack. This one comes with a shimmer as well. It's like a metallic color in the middle. Here's a comparison. As you can see, they look like similar, but just in case you want darker shades or if you want a lighter shade. So yeah. Okay guys, so before I end this video, you guys know how I've been saying I wanted to support my subscribers and give back to you guys by purchasing from your small businesses. So I've purchased from about 4 businesses from my subscribers, and I forgot to put them in the videos. So I've been hanging on to all of my packages for going on like 2 months. So I think since like May. I purchased this from B. Marcel Beauty. I hope I'm saying that right. I purchased her palette. She is a subby of mine, and we follow each other on Instagram and stuff. But here is her business card. And then she sent me a thank you card. It came all wrapped up and cute and stuff, the tissue paper, and it was put in a box. But your girl had to open it up. So this is the thank you card. It says, "Hello Diva, thank you so much for your purchase. We appreciate you. Be Marcel." So cute. And her Instagram is b.marcelbeauty. It's better, in my opinion, to purchase from you guys and then just feature it in the video and actually link your stuff in my description box, you know. So this is the palette. Isn't she a beauty? I feel like this palette is made for everybody. I already swatched a little bit on my live earlier, so I did feature this on my Instagram, KDKBeauty_. So make sure you guys go follow my Instagram page as well, because I was on live and I featured it. Look how pigmented that is. Don't mind my nails. I'm getting them done today. But you guys see? So this palette, awesome quality. Can't even super large pans. So as you can see where I swatched a little bit at, there's about 6 shimmers. So these 6 right here, and then this pink one has a shimmer to it as well. 2 mattes right here, and then 3 mattes right there. This is like the perfect palette, and I'm so happy that I'm finally showing you guys so I can actually use it. So yeah, make sure you guys go check out her website.